Every meal you eat and every mile you run acts as a direct input for your biological software. The modern environment, defined by ultra-processed foods and chronic daily stress, constantly bombards our cells with corrupted instructions that jam our biological systems. Treating the human body like a simple furnace instead of a complex computer is exactly what accelerates biological aging and triggers systemic failure. This aging is driven by sarcopenia, the loss of muscle mass. Testosterone drops, while cortisol, your stress hormone, spikes. Beyond physical movement, your muscles serve as the body's primary metabolic regulators and its strongest defense against systemic aging. The master longevity switch in this process is mTOR, a cellular sensor that monitors protein intake. High-quality amino acids from lean meats, nuts, and legumes physically toggle the mTOR switch to the on position. Once activated, your ribosomes receive a command to rapidly assemble new protein structures, actively rebuilding muscle and halting the sarcopenia cascade. Consuming protein provides a direct biological command that orders the body to rebuild its own hardware. Exercise creates the mechanical strain required to toggle your body's longevity repair switches. This diagram shows the switch known as AMPK. It monitors energy and regulates blood sugar by forcing glucose out of the bloodstream and into your cells. This pathway initiates deep DNA repair while signaling your cells to multiply their mitochondria, the microscopic powerhouses responsible for your energy. Over time, exercise protects your genetic structure by lengthening the protective end caps on your DNA to prevent cellular death. Physical movement is the only way to force your biological software to initiate this level of deep structural repair. Fixing a jammed biological system requires a clean software update. The update focuses on whole foods, shifting toward plant-based proteins and replacing saturated animal fats with unsaturated plant oils. Resetting the system requires an overnight fast of 12 to 14 hours. Stopping food intake 3 hours before bed produces melatonin and initiates autophagy, a cellular garbage disposal that engulfs and dissolves damaged debris. The timing of your biological inputs is as critical as the quality of the inputs themselves. The daily routine is straightforward: a palm-sized portion of clean protein per meal, an overnight fast, and daily mechanical movement to keep your switches engaged. This routine prevents the sarcopenia cascade, balances your cortisol levels, and stabilizes your blood sugar. Following this biological code allows you to actively rewrite your cellular software and reverse your biological age. Which longevity switch will you target first, mTOR or AMPK?